Here's how to apply the Owens Corning EnergyComplete sealant. First, test the flow of the product through the applicator by holding the tip about 12 inches away and allowing the product to hit a sheet of cardboard or plastic trash bucket. Depress the trigger to make sure you have consistent flow and a good pink color. Move the applicator smoothly along the construction joint to be sealed. The object is to apply a narrow bead of foam directly in the crack without excessive buildup. Whenever you're relocating to a new area or not applying material for 1 minute or longer, always purge the static mixer. If you don't purge, it will clog and need to be replaced. Any gaps of more than 3/8 of an inch should be stuffed with insulation before being sealed. Keep in mind that local codes may require a fire-rated material. The EnergyComplete sealant is a fire block. The most important joint in any house is the face of the top plate of a stud wall. It's important to know that when sealing a top plate, the sealant remains flexible and will not interfere with the installation of drywall. To make sure you have an adequate seal, apply an even bead that stands proud of the top plate by about 1/4 of an inch. Keep in mind that EnergyComplete sealant keeps conditioned air from escaping between the framing and the drywall. Therefore, this joint is just as important on interior partition walls as it is exterior walls. On exterior wall cavities, the joint between the sheathing and the stud plate needs to be sealed. Only apply what's necessary to seal the sheathing and top plate, and sheathing and bottom plate connections. Cavities above and below windows are treated as standard cavities. Treat the intersection of the bottom plate and the floor sheathing or concrete pad on exterior walls. Again, only apply what's necessary to achieve a seal. Any penetrations through the band joists to the outside should be treated. The sill plate can be treated all at once, either before or after the band joist. Any gaps in the sill plate should also be sealed. If ductwork is located in the attic, sealing duct boots is very important. Apply 1/4 of an inch bead of EnergyComplete sealant around the flange of the duct boot. You may need to adjust the machine settings to slow down the material flow. Otherwise, the product may drip or create a very uneven seal. Sealing the connection between the house and the garage is important for energy savings. To properly seal the garage, run a bead of sealant along the face of the top and bottom plates, and the vertical studs in corners and around doors. If you have a situation we haven't covered here, look in the manual that came with the machine or contact your Owens Corning representative. Owens Corning, helping you get the job done right.